Hi, Andy.
Good afternoon,
Okay, good evening, Andy.
teacher.
How are you?
Good.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, Solutions Elementary 0A, Introduction, Vocabulary, and Speaking. Okay, we are done with this, but we have to finish. Okay, so we have clarinet, saxophone, and trumpet. We have this, Andy, we have keyboard
Keyboard.
and drum.
Keyboard.
And
Drum.
keyboard, keyboard and drum.
Drum.
Okay, so we have play clarinet, ride a horse, okay, ride a bike, dance. Okay, so we done with this, the use of can and can, finished. This one also, yeah, we are finished. And this one also, right? You are finished with this, Andy?
Yeah.
Okay, so we are done with this. Okay, so now, Andy, we are here. What can you see in the picture? Andy, what can you see in the picture? What can you see in the picture, Andy?
Is the woman on the
The woman is
like a guitar.
play a guitar. The woman play a guitar.
Yeah.
Okay, very good. The woman play a guitar. Okay. What are your hobbies, Andy? What are your hobbies?
Is
Are your hobbies, Andy?
is
Your hobbies are? Okay,
is
what are your hobbies? Your hobbies, what do you want to do? What do you like to do?
is is play badminton.
Okay, it is play
Play
badminton.
badminton.
Okay, play badminton. Okay, you read and listen to the dialogue. What is Alfie's opinion of the girl in the photo? And what is Rose's opinion? Okay, please listen and tell me what is Alfie's opinion. What do you think Alfie tell about the girl? And what do you think Rose tell about the girl? Okay?
Okay.
Let's stop and listen. This is a great song.
She isn't very good. She can't sing.
She can play the guitar really well, and her voice isn't bad,
I can't hear the words.
but she's really young. She's only 14 or 15. Can you play the guitar like that?
No, I can't. But I can play the piano. Come on, let's go.
No, wait.
What's the problem?
I can't find my money. Can I borrow £1, please?
For her? Really? Oh, okay.
Okay?
Very
So you can see. Okay, what do you think is Alfie's opinion of the girl in the photo? What do you think the opinion of Alfie in the photo?
is one's house.
Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, what do you think?
Is
Alfie think?
I think
Alfie think about? What do you think? Look at here. Let us stop and listen. This is a great song. She isn't very good. She cannot sing. What is Alfie's opinion? What do you think Alfie say to the girl? Okay, look at Andy. Look at the conversation. Again, listen and look at the conversation. Okay, please tell
Let's
me.
stop and listen. This is a great song.
She isn't very good. She can't sing.
She can play the guitar really well, and her voice isn't bad,
I can't hear the words.
but she's really young. She's only 14 or 15. Can you play the guitar like that?
No, I can't. But I can play the piano. Come on, let's go.
No, wait.
What's the problem?
I can't find my money. Can I borrow £1, please?
For her? Really? Oh, okay.
Okay, so what do you think Alfie tell about the girl?
is she is not very good. She cannot sing.
She's not very good. The girl said, are you sure Alfie said that she's not very good? Are you sure that Alfie said she is not very good?
Alfie says her voice is bad.
Okay, the boy is?
Is it bad?
Okay, the boy is? Oh, Andy,
bad.
listen, Andy, wait me. Andy, you read Andy this one. What did Alfie said? Okay, Alfie said to the girl, she can play the guitar really well and her voice is not bad. Okay, how about Rose? What Rose said to the girl? What?
Is she is not very good.
Oh, she is not very good and? Very good. And?
She cannot sing.
She cannot sing. Okay, so Alfie said the girl can play the guitar really well and her voice is not bad. But Rose said the girl is not very good and she cannot sing. She cannot sing. Oh my God, she cannot sing. Okay, this one. Complete the sentences about the dialogue in the task. Use the affirmative or negative form of can. Complete the sentences about the dialogue in the task and use the affirmative or negative form of can. Okay, this one can. Okay, you can use can or can't. Okay.
Okay.
Rose can't.
And now,
Okay. Rose can't play the guitar. Are you sure?
yes,
Rose can't play the
Yeah.
guitar.
cannot,
Uh-huh. Cannot. Rose can play the piano.
can,
Okay, Rose can play the piano.
yes, teacher,
Yes, teacher. Okay, Alfie not find his money.
yes, teacher,
Huh?
yes, teacher,
What is the answer? Alfie not found the money.
yes, teacher,
Okay, can't. Can't. I told you, Andy, can't or can only. Okay, can't. Okay. Ask permission to do the things below. Use can I. Okay? Okay, so
Okay.
you can say, can I borrow your pencil? Okay. Can I use your dictionary? Okay. You can write your answer, Andy, in the chat box. Chat box. Okay.
Okay.
Can I use your, okay, Andy, look at this. Can I, capital, use your dictionary? Okay, what will you do? You will put, look at, please check the message of teacher. Can I use your dictionary? It's question mark. Okay, Andy? Okay, another question. One question, one more question, Andy.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, another one is, can I copy your answer? Very good. But please, Andy, don't forget question mark because you are asking, okay? Question mark, okay? Don't forget this one, question mark, this one, Andy. Oh, sorry, Andy. Okay, that one, Andy, question mark, okay? Please don't forget that one at the end of every question. Do you understand, Andy boy? Andy boy? Okay, now complete the list of musical instruments. The missing words are in the dialogue in task 9. Then check the meaning of all the words. Check the meaning of all the words. Okay. What do you think is this? And what do you think is this? Okay, please write.
Okay, teacher.
Okay, so it's guitar and piano. Okay, very easy. Okay, can you please read all the instrument? Andy, please read the instrument. Clarinet. Okay, go.
Cornet,
Mm-hmm.
drum,
Mm-hmm.
guitar,
Flute. Flute.
flute,
Okay.
guitar,
Yes.
keyboard,
Keyboard.
keyboard,
Mm-hmm.
piano,
Okay.
cell phone,
Saxophone.
saxophone,
Saxophone. Okay. And
saxophone,
trumpet.
trumpet,
Okay.
violin,
Violin.
violin,
Violin.
violin.
Okay, this one. Okay, please listen and identify the instrument. Okay, you write here what are instrument mentioned. Okay, Andy?
Okay.
Production Unit. Lesson C. Exercise 6. 1. Two. Three. Four. Five. Six. Seven.
Okay?
Okay, teacher.
Oh, where is your answer? Why? Where's number 2, 3? Okay, again.
Introduction Unit. Lesson C. Exercise 6. 1. Two. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7.
'Okay, number 2 is keyboard. 3, what did you hear? 3 is guitar. 4 is trumpet. 5 is flute. And 6 is drums. And 7 is, what's violet? It's violin. Violin, not violet. Okay, so here. So here, Andy, check the meaning of the verbs below and match 4 of them with the picture. So we have 4 pictures. What do you think are the verbs? Okay, which do you think is the dance, play basketball, or you match?
Swimming.
Okay, number 1. Okay, you put an arrow.
Okay, teacher.
Okay.
Scream.
Where is the answer? Okay,
Is
number 1 is swim. How about number 2? What is number 2, Andy?
ride a horse.
Ride. Again, Andy. Ride
Ride the horse.
horse. Okay, next, number 3. What's number 3, Andy boy?
Is dancing.
Okay, it's dancing. Number 4, Andy boy.
Is play basketball.
Number 4 is play basketball. Okay. Play basketball. Okay, what else? Okay? So, play basketball. Okay, Andy boy. Okay, now Andy, can you play violin, Andy boy? Can you play
No, I
violin?
cannot. No,
Hmm?
I cannot.
No, I can't. Okay. Okay, so Andy, this is the end of our lesson. I will see you tomorrow, Andy, on Saturday. Yeah, I will see you on Saturday. Okay, Andy boy? Andy
Okay.
boy. Okay, thank you so much, Andy boy. Bye-bye.
Roger.